Introducing the BETTR Pool. We help you stake your ADA, you help us build the future. The world is going through an upgrade. Cryptocurrency offers a new template for how we can work, interact, and create as individuals, businesses, or more broadly, as a society. Cardano aims to be one of the operating systems powering this change. It's a third-generation public blockchain platform. It's open source, decentralized, scalable, and efficient, especially when compared to what came before it. The BETTR Pool exists to support this new future. We're minting blocks with help from our amazing delegators, and as part of the BETTR initiative, we're also investing in educational content via our Cardano Weekly brand. Cardano Weekly explains crypto technology and fundamentals in a way where everyone can understand. Through Cardano Weekly, we also operate the Cardano Cup. The first edition was a huge success with participation from many projects you know and love, such as Singularity DAO, OpenFi, Merkur, and many more, with the winner, Charlie3, actually announcing that they're donating proceeds from their Cardanian Cup trophy NFT to charity. And it doesn't end there. We have an exciting suite of participants coming up for the next edition, including CNFT.io, Sunday Swap, MinSwap, Giro Wallet, and much more. We want to help spread awareness of projects within the Cardano ecosystem and help them grow across the flourishing Cardano community, and of course have some fun with the tournament style matchups. We also educate on YouTube via the BETTR Crypto. It's a channel where you'll find tutorials, news, and a lot more supporting the Cardano, Ergo, and other crypto ecosystems. We're super excited to see what Cardano can do in the next 10 years, and we really appreciate the spotlight in Cardano Summit 2021. And we want to thank all our delegators for supporting the BETTR Pool and the suite of initiatives that we're building around it. Let's stake and grow better together.